Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10-line essay on my city. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, I live in a beautiful city. Second line is, it has wide roads and tall buildings. Third line is, there are many parks and museums. Fourth line is, it has schools, hospitals, and markets. Fifth line is, it also has temples and movie theaters. Sixth line is, my favorite part is our city's central square where a pretty fountain sprays water high into the air. Seventh line is, the people here are kind and friendly. Eighth line is, they celebrate festivals together. Ninth line is, I love my city because it is clean, beautiful, and full of life. Last line is, it is the best place to live.